All right, here's another question that we have on simplifying expressions. Right now, what we're trying to do is put all the steps together. Okay, so we're going to be looking at it. We're going to try to simplify it. We're going to be collecting like terms. Do we need to use the distributive property? Let's make it all happen. So I'm taking a look at this expression right now in front of me, and I want to simplify it. And according to BEDMAS, what I need to do first is I need to simplify within the brackets. Well, I have here a B, take away 3. I can't do it because they are unlike terms. It's like taking away a banana from, say, an orange. You can't do it. But I do notice that there is a number that is outside of the brackets, and that represents multiplication. And I can do multiplication, right? It's next on our list here of things for BEDMAS, since we don't have any exponents or square roots. So let's take a look. I'm going to rewrite this. Try to rewrite this. 5b. And I'm going to keep the sign to the left, and I'm going to distribute it here. So I'm going to keep the sign to the left. So this is now becoming -7 times b gives me -7b. And then -7 times -3 is going to give me +21. And I'll rewrite the rest, because that's how I roll. All right, cool. Now we're ready to begin. We've got that simplified, but now we need to have some fun and collect some like terms. And when I look at like terms, I see that B seems to be the popular choice. And when I am collecting them, I'm always keeping the sign to the left. Some people will say, well, that's a subtraction sign. Well, in this case, subtraction can also be represented as a negative number. And I'm looking over here. I'm still going to keep this sign. Perfect. That's a positive sign. Doesn't hurt. And right here, this is -b. So then I look and see, what do I have left? And it looks like I don't have any other variables, but I do have some constants. So I know that these ones right here, I have to identify as well. So now what I'm going to do is rewrite them all. Oops. And the reason I rewrite them all is I want them in order so it's easier for me to view and to calculate. So now it's plus 2b, subtract b, and then it becomes plus 21 plus 4. You see where I'm going with this? And I'll do one more here. I now am able to do some calculations. This is a b, pretend for me, all right? So 5b take away 7b is going to give me -2b plus 2b, subtract b. And if I am going to do that, might as well just do this too. Okay, if I'm going to do that, let's see if we can calculate the rest. What is -2b plus 2b? Well, what's -2 plus 2? It's 0. Those are going to cancel out. What I'm left with is just -b. And if we take a look, the rest, our constants, seems pretty straightforward. 21 plus 4, that's going to give me 25. This here is our answer. This is this expression simplified, and hopefully that makes a little bit more sense.